My name is Lieutenant Colonel Lee Roger Wolfgram, and I am a storyteller.
Welcome to the bunker. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Colonel channel. The last time we played the jury game, and I was really encouraged by the comments that I got, because I want to encourage people, because here's what I'm trying to show you is that when you go to a jury room, I didn't make this fancy because this is actually what it is. If you go to Westlaw, for every crime in your state, there's going to be what's called jury instruction guides. And the jury instruction guides are what goes into the jury room with the jury. And the jury only gets that guide. And if the jury has a question about it, it's a question that they have to send back to the judge if there's something. But for the most part, this is what the jury has. The judge isn't going to go into detailed explanations because the definitions are here. And the idea is the jury kind of figures this out. And so when you get the jury duty and you go to the jury room, you're going to end up with something that's similar to this from Westlaw that's going to help you determine whether or not the elements of the crime have been met. With that said, at the end of this, I'm going to go through the jury instruction guide. I'm not going to give an opening statement other than this, and I'm not picking a side. I want you to pick a side, and I intentionally selected these videos because people could differ on what they believe is a crime, and that is exactly what a jury is supposed to do. So like the last time, I encourage you to watch the video, say what your thoughts are, and have other people go ahead and make their thoughts versus your thoughts. And I want to stimulate a discussion like a jury would. And I really like the last one because people were making comments that are very, very similar to those kind of discussions that happen in the jury room. So I want to continue to try to stimulate those discussions. Let's just jump in the video and watch this guy. Okay? Let's go.
Hey, listen to me.
Shut your mouth.
Listen to me.
That'd be the dumbest thing you ever did.
Listen to me. I'm not going to argue with you. Do not get in my face.
I'm not in your face.
Okay.
Get your finger out of my face. I'll bite your finger off.
Do not. You're not. Listen.
I will bite your finger off of your hand.
Okay. Calm down.
Sir,
let me talk.
Out of my face.
No, let me talk to you.
Out of my face.
Get on the ground.
I'm not doing it.
Get on the ground right now.
Really?
On November 4th, 2023, an officer conducted a welfare check on a man who kept revving his engine on his motorcycle on the road.
About to get out with a male subject on a motorcycle. Appears to be possible signal 1, revving his engine by Juanas. Hang tight up there. What's going on? Okay, why are you sitting here revving your engine back and forth going in the middle of the road?
I didn't go in the middle of the road. I pulled over and I turned around. That's it.
Okay, I watched you sitting here falling over on the bike trying to get it across the road.
I don't have shoes on, man.
Okay.
That's all.
Do you have an ID on you?
I don't, no.
You have no ID. Do you have any? Don't reach in your pockets. Do you have any on you to get you in any trouble?
I don't have a weapon, dude.
Oh, you mind if I pat you down real quick? Make sure you're going. Face that way for me. Keep your hands up on top of your head for me. Thanks, sir. Is this your bike? I got you. Where are you from? Here, step over here. You're out of traffic. Huh? Minnesota. Okay. Down here on vacation or what's going on?
Nope.
What's down here?
I own a place down here too.
Oh, you own a place down here? Okay. So what's going on with you revving your bike?
I can't rev my bike, dude. I have pipes. That's the point.
Okay, but here's the thing. You're down here on the side of the road sitting there screaming, revving your pipe, stop people in traffic. No. Then you're coming across the road trying to walk across the road. Okay, but then you're trying to walk across the road with a bike.
No, I wasn't.
You were.
What do you want to do? Fly across the road?
No, but you can't be sitting there going sideways across the road.
You turn as close as I could as well as I could with my dude.
You have no ID on you. Alright, hang tight right here for me. Right here. Stay tight right here for me. Okay, hang tight right here for me. Okay.
I'm standing.
I understand that. Right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna stand with a
Okay.
She's hearing things and thinks she's being hacked and watching the TV.
Hey.
Are you gonna arrest me?
No, I'm having. Get over here. Get over here. No, I'm trying to make sure you're okay. Now stand over here.
Check my shit on right here.
No, right here.
I'm going right here.
Okay, I don't care. You're gonna sit right here.
What you want me to do?
You're gonna sit right here.
Zero say over what I do.
You're gonna sit right here.
I'm not gonna sit right there.
Okay.
I'm gonna sit.
No, you're not. You're gonna hang tight right here.
You're not detain
124. Can you send me another unit?
Arrest me, let me go. Arrest me.
Over here.
Arrest me, or I'm gonna go this way.
No, over here.
No, you cannot tell me.
You are not free to leave.
Yes,
you understand that?
Arrest me.
You are not free to leave.
Arrest me.
Over here.
Nope, I'm gonna go that way.
You're not gonna go that way.
Tackle me to the ground then?
No, I'm gonna have you sit over here. I'm trying to be cordial with you. I'm trying to be cordial with you.
No, you're not. Are you gonna touch me?
Yes, I will put hands on you, okay?
Why?
Because you are being detained. Because you're okay. Listen to me.
Shut your mouth.
Listen to me.
That'll be the dumbest thing you ever did.
Listen to me. I'm not going to argue with you. Do not get in my face.
I'm not in your face.
Okay.
Get your finger out of my face.
Do not
bite your finger off.
Do not. You're not. Listen.
I will bite your finger off of your hand.
Okay. Calm down.
Sir,
let me talk.
Out of my face.
No. Let me talk to you.
Out of my face.
Get on the ground.
I'm not doing it.
Get on the ground right now.
Really, dude?
Hands on the ground.
For what?
Get on the ground.
I have no weapon. I have no weapon.
124. Give me traffic.
You already checked. I have no.
Get on the ground right now. Put your hands flat on the ground. Get on the ground.
There you go, bud.
Get on the ground right now. You will get tased. Get on the ground.
What?
Put your face on the ground. Do you understand me? Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
What the?
Face down.
There you go, bud.
Put your hands behind your back. You will get tased.
What am I getting arrested?
Put your hands behind your back.
What are you arrested?
You are being detained. Put your hands behind your back.
What, dude? I have a back elbow, please.
Okay, put your other hand behind your back right now.
You, dude.
Put your hand behind your back.
You, dude. Why are you doing this? Bro,
I told you to stop.
I did. You approached me, dude. Ow, please, man. Hey, I got a bad elbow. Do you see the scar? Why are you doing this? Really?
124. One detained.
For what? For what?
Because you're not listening to me.
I don't have to listen.
I told you you were detained, so I figured what's going on. You're walking in traffic.
You said no.
I said you were detained.
Let's go get your. Dude, get me up off the ground, please. Get me the out of this dirt, dude. Get me up.
You can sit down right here.
Don't touch me.
Yeah, I will put hands on you.
Okay, and I'll break your neck.
Okay, keep talking.
Okay, I will break your neck.
Keep talking.
Sir, I will.
You were detained. You were detained.
Okay, for what?
You were detained. Because you're revving stopping traffic.
Did I do anything wrong? Call the cops. Please, man. I didn't you saw this all? Please.
Stand up.
Dude, I'll stand up on my own. Get off me. I'll stand up. I have a up. I'm surgically repaired, dude.
Which elbow?
That one you're grabbing, and that shoulder, and that ankle, and this knee, and that foot.
Quit arguing.
What are you doing to me?
You better quit, man. I'm telling you right now.
Bro, you come get this mother off me, bro.
Alright, so I'm on the traffic stop.
Be quiet.
Be quiet.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Stop. He's on the side of the road just revving his bike motor.
Oh my God, dude. Get the
all these people are coming to me saying, hey, he's drunk, he's tipping over.
I'm sober. I don't even drink.
1 second. He's tipping over the bike.
No, my bike right down. I don't have shoes on. Dude, get these fucking cuffs off me, Pop.
Get a cage.
Pop, get the Sir.
Get a cage.
Hoorah. Get these.
No,
dude, hey, I'm suing the out of this guy.
Bike, so I go to get out.
I'm suing the out of this guy.
He's on his mouth threatening to kill me.
No, he. Oh my God.
Relax. I told him to stop.
I said, I'll bite your finger off. You put it in my face, motherfucker. So yes, I will. I'm a warrior.
Walking away from me.
Get me the out of these cuffs, dude. Yeah, what is that? Is that a law breaker? No.
Get him on the ground.
Get away from me, sir.
Okay. He's been threatening to kill me and my wife.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Get the
you got him ID?
I don't have a weapon. How the he threatened to tase me?
Okay.
He tried to tase me, dude. Are you serious?
Chill out.
Bro, what the?
Relax.
I'm sitting on the ground in cuffs, Vaughn. Please
I know. Relax.
Chill. Just give me a cuff.
What's your name? Okay. This officer's ID said I have an ID. I said hang tight right here because he's
I just was walking to get a water, man. I'm parched. Yeah, I can't walk. I'm cool. Here, that's a fuck. Brother, please give me these cuffs. Please, man,
we'll settle this here in just a minute, okay?
This kid's not going to have a job as soon as I stand up. As soon as you run my name, this kid's not going to have a job. Alright. Please give me these cuffs, sir.
Alright. Just relax.
This stupid. No, please, man. I'm not relaxed. Please, just give me all the cuffs.
One moment. Just stay with me. I'll just run him real quick. Give me 1 second, sir. All right.
Essentially, yeah. So
sit down.
Can I stand here, please? I'm not. Why is he touching me, dude?
Sit down.
Come on, I didn't.
Just sit down and chill.
Can I just kneel here, please? It's more comfortable.
Yes, that's fine. That's fine.
Just keep touching me for, dude.
All right, relax. All right.
Why is this kid touching me?
Okay. Well, he's not a kid. He's a grown-ass man.
He's a kid.
Okay.
He's a baby boy.
No, he's a grown man. Okay.
He's still got mama's shit behind his ears.
Okay.
Look at me, dude.
All right, stand him up. Let's secure him over there. All right.
I'm fine, man.
Go ahead and stand up. We're gonna put you in a car real quick, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's walk him over there.
Why am I going to a... Dude, why is this kid touching me, bro? I will walk. Why is this kid touching me, sir?
Sorry, guys.
I didn't even do it. Foster, I'm surgically repaired, boys. Please tell this kid to back off my shoulder. Wow, why is this kid touching me? Can I put my shoes on? They're my bike.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
Yes, sir. You already patted me down, dude.
We're doing it again.
Okay, go ahead, bro. Please help. Please.
No, face that way.
Messenger, please help me with this situation. Please, guys.
Put your chest right there.
Okay, sir. I will gladly put my chest on the stars and stripes, sir.
Thanks, sir.
Oh, my bowl. You just broke my bowl.
Oh, your bowl. You can't have it anyways. Doesn't matter. You can't have it in public.
I wasn't smoking, dude. I wasn't smoking.
Okay, you can't smoke in public.
I wasn't smoking.
Sit down.
Dude. I wasn't smoking.
Sit down. Put your feet in the car.
What am I?
Put your feet in the car.
Okay, excuse me.
Put your feet in the car. You're going to tote another charge. Put your feet in the car. We'll talk to you in just a minute. Listen, I just pulled up. Did you see me pull up?
Yes.
Put your feet in the car.
Man. I didn't do
Put your feet in the car. I'm going to drag your ass in the car.
Can I get my shoes?
Put your feet in the car. We're going to get up. Put your feet in the car.
I barely fit in
Put your feet in the car. I can't help it.
Stand there, please. I'm not even arrested.
Put your feet in the car.
You didn't even read my rights at all. Why am I?
We don't have to read your rights. Put your feet in the car.
In a car? Yes, you do, sir.
Put your feet in the car.
Foster,
drag him over there.
Man, please, man. Please. I didn't do it.
Sit down. All right. So what happened?
So I'm on the traffic stop, and all I hear him, and he's just down here going like this, just yelling, revving his bike like super loud.
Okay.
I'm like, what's this guy's problem? I'm trying to deal with the traffic stop.
Yeah.
And all these people, like 3 or 4 people, stop me. Hey, you need to check on him. He looks like he's drunk. He's all over the. Like, he's falling over. So I look down, and he's like this, like someone with a bike.
Okay.
I'm like, okay. So then he just turns in front of the cars here, just makes a U-turn in the middle of the road, real slow. He gets off right here. He's walking around, like tipping the bike over. So I go to get out with him, and I was like, hey man, what's going on? I was like, you got an ID on you? I said, you're out here revving your engine on here? Like, what's going on? You know, he's like, I'm not allowed to rev my motherfucking engine and all this stuff. I was like, dude, I was like, you got an ID or anything on you? I was like, I'm going to pat you down, patting him down. He starts walking over this way. And I said, hey, man. I said, you're not going to sit here and walk away. I said, you are detained right now. So I figure out what's going on. I don't have who you are. You look like you're drunk someone ever or anything. So he starts walking this way. I say, hey, don't walk anywhere. I could tell he's about to fight, so I was trying to like keep it like chill. Well, he kept walking that way, and like he's like, don't put your finger on pace. I will bite your fucking finger off and all this shit. So I was like, okay. So I pulled my taser out and was like, first get the fuck on the ground. He gets on the ground, and I detain him.
Okay.
He's just acting a fool though. So.
Okay. So you got out with him because you got flag down. Possibly signal 1. See how awful reason get out with him.
Absolutely.
Yeah. All right. So you want to do the signal 1 on him, or you just want to do the resisting and assault on
resisting.
assault on law enforcement?
I will end your life. I was like,
cool.
Okay. All right. We'll get
you can go ahead and get him on the. Has he displayed anything like hunker down, fighting? Or
no,
what?
he just like tensing up. You can see him like tensing up, but he's like, I'm going over here. I said, you're not going over there. You're detained. And he just kept walking, so I pulled my taser out. And as soon as I pulled the taser out, he got on the ground. He complied, but I don't know what his deal is, man. He's like,
let's run him. Is that his bike?
Yeah, I think so.
He had a marijuana ball thing. I would do drug paraphernalia.
Okay. Well, he's like, I don't know what his deal was. Like, I was trying to be nice to him. He just starts getting all pissed off. Yeah.
So, do the resisting. It's up to you if you want to do the assault on law enforcement.
I'm not too worried about it. Yeah, he's like, I will end your life.
On that 28.
Yeah, weed pipe, no weed.
That was the weirdest encounter. He's like, I will bite your finger off. I was like, whoa.
Never take falls like a normal, just a normal fill-in death. All right, Mr. Joel. Looks like you are going to jail today for resisting an officer without violence.
What? What?
I got a couple questions. They're not relevant or incriminating.
Dude, I'm suing the f*** you. Call my lawyer.
Well, I don't need your lawyer.
Call my lawyer.
So,
call my wife and call my lawyer.
Did you take anything? Do you have any medical necessity to be checked out by EMS right now? Okay, what did you take?
I didn't take any drugs, man.
Okay, so you don't have any medical necessity to be checked out?
Though.
Okay, what are your medical needs?
Dude, I need to get these... Can I put the cuffs in front of me, please? I have a blown-out elbow, a blown-out shoulder, a blown-out ankle.
Not right now. If you can calm down, we can work with you. But I get here, you're all agitated. Y'all had to arrest you. Okay, take a breath. Listen. You saw me pull up, right? So I didn't see anything prior to what happened.
Please, can I put my cuffs in front of me, please? Can I please stand up?
Take a breath. We'll work on that in just a minute, okay? Do you have anybody that can come get your bike? I see it's got a Minnesota tag.
Dude.
Are you down here with any family or anything?
No.
Do you have any family down here?
No.
Do you know anybody local?
I own a house that way.
In Okaloosa County?
Fort Walton Beach.
Fort Walton Beach. Okay. Do you have any? Who's living there with you? Like a family member that can come take possession of your bike or anything? No one. Okay.
Bro, I've been here for a long time. I just got back from a long deployment. Please get me out of these cuffs.
Where are you deployed at?
Dude, I can't even tell you.
Okay. Do you have any ID anywhere on your bike or anything?
I have a picture of it on my phone. Please, can I just get out of these cuffs, please, man?
Well, no, because you're going to jail.
For what? I
resisting
didn't do anything.
An officer without violence. I just told you that.
Resisting? That's a jailable offense?
Yes, it is. It's a misdemeanor in state of Florida.
Come on, man. You're going to take me to jail for a misdemeanor, bro, please.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
I'm a felon, dog.
I take people to jail for...
Please, man, don't do this. I don't have any money to bail out either.
Okay.
Please, man.
Well,
please, dude.
You probably should have thought of that.
I didn't even touch the guy.
That's why it's without violence.
How did I resist? I walked away. I wasn't under arrest. I asked him, am I under arrest? He said no. I walked away.
He told you were detained.
For what? For what, dude?
So he told you were detained.
For what?
No, you were going to be...
For what was I... Why, dude? Why is this happening to me? Please, dude. Please, brother. Please get me the f*** out of these cuffs, man. I'm hurting, dude. I need to just go relax, and I just got home.
So,
please, man.
I can't talk to you if you're yelling at me.
Dude, why am I in cuffs, bro? I'm a f***ing warrior for the fucking country, dude. Take me out of cuffs, please, man. Dude, I'll f***ing die.
Don't put your feet out of there.
No, dude, please, you take me out of these cuffs.
Put your feet in the car.
Please take me out of the cuffs.
Listen, you're going to tell the next charge if I got to tell you. Put your feet in the car.
You told me to give me my shoes at least, man.
Put your feet in the car.
Don't touch me, kid.
Listen.
Do not touch me.
I'm not worried about you.
Look at me, brother.
Look at me, brother. I don't care.
You should be.
I absolutely do not care.
Fear should be a real thing in your life right now.
Okay.
Hey, brother, why is this kid touching me?
Because if I got to tell you to put your feet in the car again...
Why did he just kick me?
What are you talking about?
Dude, the kid just kicked me. I want to put my shoes on. I shouldn't even be in cuffs, bro.
Well, you're going to jail.
I didn't do anything. Why am I going to jail?
I've already explained to you.
This kid doesn't... Read me my rights, please.
I'm not asking you anything.
Please read my rights.
I don't need to read you.
Please, why am I detained? Read me my rights.
You were under arrest. You were not...
What am I arrested for? I have no ticket. I have not been... Okay, please, can I get out of this vehicle?
No, you're not getting out of this.
Sir.
Because you're going to jail.
For what?
Would you like to speak to a supervisor?
Yes, please.
Beautiful. I have one here.
What?
Put your feet in the car. Move your knee.
Why am I being arrested?
Move your knee!
What?
He wants to talk to you. He wants to talk to you. He has no medical necessity to be checked out.
Okay.
He's refusing to listen to absolutely anything. He wants to get out of the car. Wants to take his feet out. I keep telling him to put it in there. Okay. He's moving. I just had to push his foot in with my foot. I had to shut the door on his knee because he's refusing to move it. He says he works for the government in some capacity. He's got no ID, but he also just told me he's a felon, so...
Hey, he doesn't work
for the government. He's got no family local.
Put the window down. Alright, sir. Hey. Alright, listen to me, alright? So, right now, you're going to go to jail for obstruction, okay? Okay, listen to me. It's a simple resisting charge, okay?
Really? You're going to take me to jail?
Yes, sir.
For what? I don't have any money to bail out.
You'll get it.
Got home.
Okay, you'll get it. I understand, alright? Alright, we're going to help you out, alright? So, my question is, do you have anybody who can come get your bike?
No, dude, I don't have anybody. I'm an individual warrior of one, sir. You have no idea who you're detaining right now. Why are you doing this to me? Can I at least put my hands in front of me, please?
No,
my shoulder hurts.
Yeah, we can't do that, alright? What's wrong with your shoulder?
My shoulder hurts, man. It's blown the fuck out. My labrums are torn as fuck and my shoulders can't bend like this, man. Please help me. Just put my hands in front of me and I'll go wherever you want, please. Just put my hands in front of me.
I can't take the cuffs off you right now, okay?
Vaughn, I didn't do anything. I didn't touch anyone, Vaughn.
Listen to me.
Why are you doing this to me, dude?
Listen to me, okay?
Vaughn.
Okay.
You.
Don't spit on me.
I didn't spit on you, bitch ass motherfucker. Take me to jail then.
Roll this up.
Take me to jail, you pussy ass motherfucker.
Okay.
Hey, now it's warrior time, sir. Fuck you.
Don't spit on me.
I didn't spit on you, Vaughn. I spit next to you. Get the out of my face, you pussy little bitch.
Okay.
Take me to jail, motherfucker. You bitch ass motherfucker.
We don't need to spit mess right now. So, roll your window up.
I'm gonna beat your ass. I'm gonna come back and beat your ass. And I'll come back and I'll beat your too.
Hey.
I'm gonna not. I'll go ahead.
Calm down.
Up, pussy.
Hey, calm down.
Knuckle up, pussy.
Calm down.
I'm detained as fuck you.
Yeah, you're going to jail.
Yeah, take me to jail.
You're going. We're not going to put the.
You don't want to do a swim match?
Not right now.
All right. Bite your finger off.
All right.
I'll leave it.
So I'm going to tell Ryan to go ahead and hit him with the assault on law enforcement as well.
I think he's going to do the pipe that was in his pocket.
You call to jail before you get up
All right.
there.
Yeah, this dude's going to be a trip.
All right. So where's Ryan at?
He's up there in his truck type.
Hey Ryan, go ahead and hit him up with the assault charge. Okay.
Again?
Yeah. He got everybody this time. So just do the 1 count of assault on LEO. Okay, and the resisting charge, okay? He said he doesn't have anybody to come get the bike, so we're going to end up towing that, okay?
Yeah, he's high.
He's already going up north.
His pupils are...
if I had to guess, he's bipolar, because he went from crying to, like, seriously pissed off, like a light switch.
He was with me the whole time, so, like,
yeah.
I was trying to be nice at first, like, he's walking away. He'd be like, yes, sir.
He's definitely got some issues, and he's definitely on
something. He's got a...
All right, now you've seen the evidence of the crime. This is the primary evidence that would be presented to the jury. This is the most influential evidence that there is because cameras don't lie. I'm a big fan of the body-worn cameras and the squad cameras and actually any other camera. I can't tell you how many times it has really kind of closed down any prosecution or any defense because the jury's going to see this, and that's why I use this as the example. So let's talk about it. Under Minnesota law, whoever intentionally physically obstructs, hinders, or prevents the lawful execution of any legal process is guilty of a crime. In order to find that person guilty, and again, we're going to use the jury guide here, first, Officer Doe was attempting to lawfully execute legal process. The investigation of a crime is the execution of legal process. Second, now this is the second element, if you must find each of these elements exists. So the second element of the crime is that the defendant physically obstructed, hindered, or prevented the execution of legal process. Then in the jury guide, because we're talking about, well, what does physically obstructed mean? They give us the definition, because remember, we're in the jury room. We don't have the judge to ask. We should be just going off the notes that we have and our memories and this jury instruction guide. So let's quickly define. Physically obstruct means the words and acts of the defendant must have the effect of substantially frustrating or hindering the officer in the performance of the officer's duty. If the defendant's conduct consisted of only offensive, obscene, or abusive language, you must find that the words were fighting words, or any other words that by themselves have the effect of physically obstructing or interfering with an officer in the performance of the officer's duty. Fighting words are words that constitute personally offensive epithets that, when spoken to the ordinary person under the particular circumstances of the case, are, as a matter of common knowledge, inherently likely to provoke a violent reaction or incite an immediate breach of the peace by those to whom such words are addressed. The offense may be based upon the utterance of fighting words alone without resulting in actual violence. The focus is upon the nature of the words and the circumstances in which they were spoken rather than upon the response, the actual response. Third, the defendant intentionally obstructed, hindered, or prevented, interfered with, deterred, or interfered with Officer Doe. Intentionally is also defined here because we're talking about intentionally. Intentionally means that the defendant either had a purpose to do the thing or caused the result specified or believed that the act performed by the defendant, if successful, would cause that result. In other words, it was foreseeable that if you act this way, you're going to hinder, right? In addition, the defendant must have knowledge of those facts that are necessary to make the defendant's conduct criminal and that are set forth after the word intentionally. So that's your third element. The fourth element is that the defendant's act took place on or about, and this is jurisdictional, on or about this date in this county. So if you find all of those elements exist, then if you find each of these elements has been proven beyond a reasonable doubt, the defendant is guilty. If you find that any element has not been proved beyond a reasonable doubt, the defendant is not guilty. Okay, jury, you now have the jury instructions, the evidence. Your job is to now take just this your notes, and your memory without further definition to sort these words out and come up with a decision as to whether or not these elements have been met. Until the next time, this is Lieutenant Colonel Lee Roger Wolfgram from the Wolfgram Worldwide Headquarters in downtown Minneapolis, out here.